In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide your balance on Coinbase Wallet. If your portfolio totals and token amounts are hidden behind dots or asterisks, you're likely in privacy mode. That feature is handy when you're sharing your screen or checking your wallet in public, but it can be confusing if you just want to see your balances again. Here's how to turn it off safely and quickly. First, open your Coinbase web app in a trusted browser. Make sure you're on the official Coinbase site or the wallet interface and that your browser is up to date. If you're on mobile, the layout looks a little different, but the labels we'll use are the same, so the flow will still make sense. Next, log in with your account, enter your credentials, and complete any security prompts. Take a moment to confirm you're signed into the account you expect, especially if you manage multiple profiles or networks. Once you're in, go to Settings. On web, you'll typically find a gear icon near your profile avatar, often at the bottom left or top right of the screen. Tap or click that gear to open the settings panel. If you're on a smaller screen, you might need to open a menu first, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, select Display. This section controls how balances and other visual elements appear. Depending on your version, you might see it labeled Display or Appearance. Either way, it's the place where visibility options live. Now, turn off the privacy mode that hides all balances. Look for a toggle or switch that says Hide Balances, Privacy Mode, or something similar. When it's on, you'll see placeholders instead of numbers across your portfolio. Switch it off, and your exact balances and totals will immediately reappear. If you're recording or sharing your screen, consider pausing or enabling privacy mode again before you continue to protect your information. That's it. By opening the web app, logging in, heading to Settings, choosing Display, and disabling privacy mode, you've restored full visibility to your Coinbase wallet balances. Remember, you can always toggle it back on whenever you need a quick layer of discretion. If the change doesn't apply right away, a brief refresh usually updates the view, and syncing can take a moment on slower connections. Keep your app or browser current for the most consistent experience, and you'll always know exactly what's in your wallet when you need to.